A brain injury claim is where somebody brings a claim or somebody brings a claim on their behalf where they have sustained a brain injury, which can be a blow to the head or loss of consciousness or both, as a result of an incident that wasn't their fault. This could be a road traffic accident, an accident at work, a criminal incident, an accident on private or public land, and can also be as a result of medical negligence. Someone will usually bring a brain injury claim where they have suffered ongoing symptoms as a result of that injury. That could be mild, moderate, all the way up to severe symptoms, which could result in them having issues working, them not being able to work, and them needing to have ongoing treatment and rehabilitation. Brain injury compensation will very much depend on the severity of the injury. If you have a more severe injury, the award will be more significant. It will be based on your pain, suffering and loss of amenity, as well as your past losses, and more importantly, your future losses, which could include future loss of earnings, future care, and future treatment and rehabilitation. It's best to speak to your solicitor about likely claims that you will be able to bring. Initially, you will need to speak to a specialist brain injury solicitor who will be able to guide you through the process. If they're able to take your claim on, they will then be in a position to discuss liability and whether or not this is likely to be an issue in your case. If liability can be established at an early stage, it will then be a case of quantifying your claim by instructing specialist experts to assess you and then prepare reports which will form the evidence for your claim. It will also be necessary to keep a note of any past losses and expenses which you've incurred. This process may take a number of years, but the important thing is that you instruct a specialist solicitor who is experienced in brain injury claims, who can guide you through the process. There can be an impact on benefits which you are claiming when you receive your compensation at the end of the claim. This is something which can be managed through specialist trusts with further advice from your solicitor. A claim might help to pay for things such as loss of earnings which have been incurred. It also is very important for ongoing treatment and rehabilitation. This could include things such as neuropsychology, neuropsychiatry, hydrotherapy, neurophysio. There are a number of different treatments which are available which may be appropriate to your situation. It's important to discuss these with your solicitor. In terms of funding for these treatments, it may be possible to obtain an interim payment early in the case, which will give you the funds to pay for these treatments before your case has settled. Your brain injury will be unique to you, and bringing a brain injury claim will be a very worrying and stressful time for both you and your family. That's why it's important to speak to a specialist solicitor. Here at RWK Goodman, we have a team who are expert in dealing with brain injury claims. If you have any questions for us, please visit our website at rwkgoodman.com or contact us via the details below.